Hello friends, once again I'm your Anirima and today I'm here with a new topic of related to transformation of sentences, that is use to and remove to. It is also very simple. You have to just understand the logic and it will really help you to gain your full marks. Okay, so just focus on the transformation, how to transform this. I hope you will get good and clear description of this topic and it will really help you to understand. Yes, use to and remove to, as you all know that it is a part of your transformation of sentences. So let's see what happened next. Okay, remove to. First of all, rule number 1. Generally in a sentence, when we remove to, we need to use so that. Okay, if we are cutting this if we are remove this to from your sentence, then we are supposed to put so that. Remember rule number 2, that if the sentence containing to is affirmative, then the sentence containing so that becomes negative and vice versa. So whenever you are removing to and putting so that, it will change your sentence into negative. That you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you are remove to and adding so that, it becomes negative and vice versa. When you are putting so that, when you are removing so that and adding to, at that time it is positive one. So it's a vice versa. Yes, example, he is too honest to accept a bribe. Now remove to. So that you have to put. So he is so, at the place of to you have to use so. Honest, at to you have to put that, and he can't accept a bribe. He is so honest that he can't accept a bribe. So here it become negative. It was too hot to work. It was so hot that I could not work. You can use can and could according to this tense of your sentence. The tree is too high to climb. So the tree is so high that I cannot climb on it. So that is how you have to use so that plus subject plus cannot or can, whatever you have to use, according to that you have to use. Okay, now the second one is use to. Now how you have to use? First you remove to from sentences. Now you have to add, you have to use this TOO in your sentence. So rule number 1, generally in a sentence, when we want to use to, we remove so that. When we want to remove to, we are adding so that. But whenever we want to use to, we have to remove so that. The soup was so hot that I could not drink it. Used to. So the soup was too hot to drink. So that I could not. They are removed. So the soup was, at the place of so you have to put too hot. The adverb adjective is same. That I could not drink it. That you remove that I could not, and the drink is putting you have to the same. So the soup was too hot to drink. Let's see another examples. Yes, the table is so heavy that I cannot lift it. Table is too heavy to lift it or lift. It is so dark that we cannot see anything. It is too dark to see anything. The shirt was so dirty that I could not wear it. The shirt was too dirty to wear. So this is how you have to change it in a vice versa. Okay, I hope you will get the idea how you have to work. According that, you have to remember this two kind of structure pattern, that what kind of changes you have to done while you are removing to and adding so that, and similarly you have to think about that what kind of changing you have to do when you are adding to and removing so that. So this is how it will help you to make yourself comfortable, make yourself understand how to change. So practice more and more sentences, so it will help you to make grip over your topic. Okay, this is not a that much hard topic, it's a very small and a very good topic, so you can work according that only. Okay, I hope you liked it, I hope you get the idea. So that whenever you are adding, you have to remove this two and two from the sentence, and whenever you are changing, adding so that and removing to, it will become negative, and similarly vice versa. Okay, so do practice lots of sentences you will have, and you can practice it at your home, so it will give you grip over your topic, and it will really help you how to change your sentences, how to use to and how to remove it, and what kind of changes you have to do. That I hope you will get the idea about it. Okay, enjoy your studies, have a good time ahead, bye bye.